Chloe and Cole, and this is our dog Basil. We're going to take you with us on our overnight trip to explore Romney, Dymchurch and Hythe. It'd been a pretty full-on week for both of us, so we decided a night away was what we needed. We went straight from work on Saturday afternoon and headed along the coast to find a nice park up. So this is our park up for tonight. We are in Romney? New Romney? Romney Marsh? New Romney. New Romney. After actually establishing where we were, we took Basil for a run out on the beach before it got too dark. We came across this creepy sea creature on the beach. I thought it was some kind of jellyfish, but Mum told me it was actually a squid egg sac. Cole cooked up a beautiful steak dinner whilst Basil sulked until we gave him some. We had a read in bed and an early night listening to the waves crashing on the shingle. It was lush. In the morning, after a lush night's sleep, we took Baz for one last blast on the beach before heading back out on the really potholey sea road. Then we parked up at Dungeness, which is famous for its crabs and cod that thrive in the warm seawater that cools the nuclear reactor at the power station. We went for another brisk walk on the pebble beach, and we both agreed we much prefer sand in our shoes. We found some beautiful shells and even a whole scallop on the stones. We like to do a little pick wherever we go, following our mantra of leaving the place even better than how you found it. We came across a cat shark that we thought was dead, but it turned out it had a hook in its mouth and a snapped line. We freed the little guy and set him on his way. I'm not sure the fisher folk were too pleased with us though. Christine's memorial bench helped rid us of the pesky pebbles, and we made our way to Dymchurch station to see the famous Romney, Hythe and Dymchurch railway train come in. We both have really good childhood memories of travelling on the miniature steam train, which has been running since 1927. On the marshland around the train station, we found some cool little mushrooms that I couldn't identify, even though I've been trying to learn what's safe to forage, so they live to see another day. Close to the station is the old lighthouse that's open to visitors, and there's some really cute galleries too. After a quick tea break, we got back on the road and headed to Hythe for a walk along the Royal Military Canal. The sun came out and warmed us up, and Basil loved the ducks. We then got back on the road and headed towards one of our favourite viewpoints, Cape Fern. We had a Sunday lunch in the Valiant Sailor with Basil giving some really good feed me eyes. We rounded up the day looking out over Cape Fern, watching either a dolphin or a seal do an impression of one leaping out of the water. We really hope you enjoyed our trip. Thanks for coming along.